Welcome back, children. Let's continue with the same chapter 9, halves and quarters. Topic, word problem of addition and subtraction. That's video number 5. Now let's look at the question. Suraj travels 1/3 of an hour by train and 1/3 of an hour by bus every day to work. What fraction of an hour does he take to travel to work? So here you need to find out, look here, Suraj travels 1/3 of an hour by train and then 1/3 of an hour by bus. So you write the statement as fraction of an hour traveled by train. It's 1/3. 1/3 of an hour he traveled by train, and fraction of an hour traveled by bus. It's 1/3 of an hour. Now look, what fraction of an hour does he take to travel to work? You need to find out how much it's. So you will write the statement as fraction of an hour taken to travel. Fraction of an hour taken to travel, that is, you need to add both these fractions, which is traveled by train and which is traveled by bus. 1/3 plus 1/3, how much you get? This is like fraction, you need to add only the numerator part. 1 plus 1, you get 2/3 of an hour. Okay. Now, next question. I read 5/8 of my storybook yesterday and 2/8 today. How much of my storybook have I read in all? So, how are you going to write the statement? Yes, you write as fraction of storybook read yesterday. Fraction of storybook read yesterday. Yesterday it's 5/8. 5/8 portion he have read yesterday, and fraction of storybook read today. It's 2/8. Now the question here is, how much of my storybook have I read in all? So I write fraction of storybook read in all. What do you need to do? You need to add. You are going to find out how much I have read in all. So 5/8 by 2/8. How much you get? 5 plus 2, it's 7. 7/8. 7/8 is the answer. Got it? Now let me move on to the next question. Susmita bought 5 by 10 meters of black cloth and 2 by meters of white cloth. How much cloth did she buy in all? So she have bought 5 by 10 of black cloth and 2 by 10 meters of white cloth. So let me underline. Yes, it's white cloth and 5 by 10 meters of black cloth. So let's write the statement. Fraction of black cloth. It's 5 by 10 meters. Fraction of white cloth. It's 2 by 10 meters. Now you have to find out how much cloth did she buy in all. So fraction of cloth, she bought. In all. It's 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10. You need to add the numerator part. 5 plus 2, it's 7 by 10 meters. 7 by 10 meters of clothes she have bought in all. Now, next question is subtraction of word problem question. Let's look at the first question. Hari drank 8 by 11 of glass of buttermilk and Sundar drank 9 by 11 of glass of buttermilk. Who drank more and how much more did he drink? Now, let's write. You need to find out who have drank more. Hari drank 8 by 11 of glass of buttermilk. So, fraction of a glass of buttermilk. You write as fraction of glass of buttermilk Hari drank. It's 8 by 11. Fraction of glass of buttermilk Hari drank, it's 8 by 11. Now the next one, fraction of glass of buttermilk Sundar drank. How much? It's 9 by 11. So here who have drank more? Yes, you have to compare the numerator part. So it's 9 by 11 is the greatest fraction. So Sundar have drank more. So write as Sundar. Therefore, Sundar drank more than Hari. So it's 9 by 11 minus 8 by 11. You need to find out how much portion he have drank more than Hari. 9 by 11 minus 8 by 11. 9 minus 8, how much you get? 1 by 11. got it? 1 by 11 portion of buttermilk he has drank more than her. Now, let me move on to the next question. Second one, Kapi drank 5 by 6 of a glass of milk in the morning and 3 by 6 of glass of milk in the evening. How much more did he drink in the morning? Now, let's see. You write the statement as Kapi drank 5 by 6 of glass of milk. Fraction of milk he drank in the morning. Drank in the morning. Morning, it's 5 by 6 and fraction of milk he drank in the evening. It's 3 by 6. Now, how much more did he drink in the morning? How much you have drank in the morning? You need to find out. What do you need to do? You need to subtract. So, let's do how much more did he drink in the morning? Fraction of more milk he drank in the morning. So, you write as fraction of more milk he drank in the morning, it's 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6. How much it is? You get as 5 minus 3, it's 2. 2 by 6 of glass of milk he have drank more in the morning. Now, let's move on to the next one. Third question, the fruit salad recipe needs 1 by 5 kilograms of apple and 3 by 5 kilograms of grapes. Which fruit is required in greater amount and by how much? What you need to do? You have to subtract. So, first you need to write the statement as fraction of apples. Fraction of apples. Fraction of apples needed for fruit salad. Fruit salad. It's 1 by 5 kilograms and fraction of grapes needed for fruit salad. Or you can write your required. Required for fruit salad, it's 3 by 5 kilograms. Now, here Which fruit is required in greater amount and by how much? So you write therefore, which fruit is required more? Is it grapes or apples? Yes, grapes is required more. Grapes is required more than apples. So how much more? You need to subtract and see. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Yes, 3 minus 1 you get 2. So the answer is 2 by 5 kilograms of grapes is required more than apples. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.